also important in the course of your preparation. The last question of building materials and construction topic. Concrete is a mixture of. Incidentally, we discussed this concept of concrete as a material just a while ago when we were discussing about historic structure. I'm not talking about it, but I would ask you to comment it down into the chat if you remember. That will really encourage us. Also, if you're able to understand or not, I'll get to know about it. So just recall and think about a historic structure. In this lecture series, in this lecture, we have discussed a building wherein we discussed about concrete and what it is, and I talked about concrete as a main material in the construction of that building. So comment down the name of that building in the chat option below. So concrete is a mixture of the options. So concrete, basically it is a mixture of cement with sand, gravel and water. This mixture is called as concrete. In this, sand is also referred to as fine aggregate because it is that aggregate which is fine in size, small particles it has. Gravel is called as coarse aggregate. C-O-A-R-S-E. It is not coarse with U. It is coarse. C-O-A-R-S-E. Coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate is larger size particles. So fine aggregate has small particles, fine particles are fine. Gravel, that is larger size particles, you find it in coarse aggregate. So cement, sand, gravel and water, or cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water, that's the mixture. So cement, coarse aggregate, fine aggregate and water, that is given in option number 4. That would be the correct answer for this building materials question from the first attempt of JEE 2024 paper 2.